This is a quick video on how to use the Align palette in Adobe Illustrator. So if you've drawn a shape, and I'm going to draw a few stars here. Remember, you can use the up and down arrow keys to add points or take away points in your star. So I'm going to draw a star, fill it with a color, take the stroke away from the outside, and then I'm going to multiply this star, make a few copies. All right, if I want to line these stars up quickly, I'm going to use the selection tool, select all the stars. I'm going to go over to the Align palette, and if you can't see the Align palette, go under Window and make sure that Align is selected. So here's my Align palette, I'll pull it out. And then I can align the objects, vertically align their centers. Okay, if I had them in a vertical row, I could align them, with this button right here to horizontally align their centers. So they're all lined up, which looks good. The next thing I want to look at here is just making the spacing even between them. So down at the bottom, you have this distribute the spacing. So I can press that. Let's say I want to group these together. So I could go Object, Group. So now it's being treated as a group. I'm going to make a copy. Couple copies. Now I could select these three groups, and then here's that horizontally align the center right there, which lines them up that way. And then I could also distribute the spacing vertically to get the spacing even. Let me just show that so it's a little more noticeable. Highlight the three, align, and then even out the spacing. Now if I wanted to take the whole entire thing, group this, object group. Down at the bottom, this align to, there's either align to selection, you can see it just jumped over, but I want to align to the artboard, and then I'm going to align it to the center, and then horizontally align, and that will square it up within the artboard space.